So almost perfect. Just a couple of issues with the clearing pads down here. You can see we chewed away a little bit too much. We lost a pad there, but that's actually a not connect pad, so it kind of doesn't matter, but like these are not, it might work. I'm gonna try and solder this one up and see if it works. I think overall, this is my best one yet. Yeah, the drill holes are pretty damn close. Up this side of the board obviously feels really good. It was the bottom side, it felt like on the top that was just a little bit too, like I had to remill the mask like over and over again on this one to get the depth right for the clearing. On the back side, I had already calculated the clearing depth. You can see there's a couple places where we left a little solder mask there. I'll just clear that up with an X-Acto knife or something. And on the back side, I had fun with trying to apply a little bit of white solder mask, which one of the pads worked. Let's see, pretty good. So lasered, etched, and then I filled with white solder mask. The thing is the white solder mask, I don't know how I'm gonna keep that like filled into the cavity that the laser engraver creates. But it's still kind of cool. I'll experiment more with that. So next up is to solder all the components onto the top and see if this design actually works.